Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mosquito trampoline is probably one of the most innovative solutions for outdoor fun while keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. Imagine a world where you can bounce, play, and relax without the constant buzzing and biting. This video will dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall value of the mosquito trampoline, helping you decide if it's the perfect addition to your backyard. Number 5. Stamina Folding Trampoline with Smart Workout App. Looking for a fun and effective way to exercise? This 36-inch trampoline offers a low-impact, full-body workout. It's designed to improve your strength, cardio, and balance. This trampoline is built with a robust steel frame and 30 tension bands. It's made to last, with a 250 pounds weight limit, ensuring it can handle your workouts. Stay on track with the LCD monitor, which tracks your jumps, time, and calories. Plus, you get free access to the Move coaching app for personalized workouts. Need something that fits your space? This trampoline features a foldable frame and detachable legs. It's perfect for any home gym setup. Stamina is dedicated to quality, and this trampoline is no exception. It's designed to support your fitness journey, with professional brand support and quality assurance. What we like? This trampoline offers a full-body workout experience, perfect for improving strength and cardio. It also includes smart tracking with an LCD monitor and a workout app to monitor your progress. If you are looking for a compact, home gym-friendly fitness solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The trampoline is well designed and the netting is effective at keeping the bugs out. The kids love the trampoline and the netting is a great addition. It was easy to assemble. Number 4. Serenelife 12 feet 10 feet 8 feet outdoor trampoline with net. Get ready for some serious fun. This trampoline features 64 high-tension springs and a reinforced mat, delivering an amazing bounce. It's designed for high-energy play, ensuring endless outdoor enjoyment. Safety is the top priority. This kid-friendly trampoline includes tall netting, padded covers, and secure zippers. It's crafted with ASTM-certified materials, so parents can relax while the kids have a blast. Stability is key for safe jumping. The trampoline boasts a galvanized steel frame with unique L-shaped legs. This design prevents wobbling, providing a secure experience on any surface, and supports up to 264 pounds. Setting up is a breeze. This outdoor trampoline comes with clear instructions, making assembly quick and easy. It's perfect for busy families who want to bring recreation to their backyard without the hassle. Built to last, this trampoline is made with UV-tested, waterproof materials. It can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting fun and fitness. The rust-resistant steel frame adds to its durability for outdoor play all year. What we like? This trampoline provides a superior bounce with high-tension springs and a reinforced mat. It prioritizes safety with tall netting and padded covers, ensuring a secure jumping environment. If you have kids who love to play outside and need a durable, safe, and fun trampoline, this is a great choice. What people say. It is nice to the eyes, well done, safe, sturdy and relatively easy to assembly. The footing is also good. It's very solid indeed. I weigh 230 pounds and can bounce to my heart's content with nary a worry. Number 3. Randy Sun Waterproof Ankle Socks for Outdoor Activities. Are you tired of wet, uncomfortable feet during outdoor adventures? These unisex waterproof socks are designed to keep your feet dry and cozy. They are perfect for various activities. Whether you're cycling through puddles or facing unexpected rain, these socks will protect your feet. The breathable design ensures comfort, even during intense rides. You will love it. Stay focused on the hunt, not your soggy feet. These socks provide reliable waterproof protection, allowing you to stay comfortable in the field. It is a great choice. Enjoy your fishing trip without worrying about wet feet. These socks are designed to keep water out, so you can focus on reeling in your catch. This is a must-have item. Don't let rain or puddles slow you down. These socks are perfect for runners, providing waterproof protection and breathability. They will keep your feet dry and comfortable. Get the protection you need with the convenience of choosing between a single pair or a 2-pair pack. These socks are a great value for anyone who loves outdoor activities. What we like? These socks are waterproof, ensuring your feet stay dry in wet conditions. They are also designed for comfort and durability, making them ideal for various outdoor activities. If you like hiking, cycling, or any outdoor activity where your feet might get wet, you should consider these. What people say. These work great. My shoes were soaked and my feet stayed dry. It is 100% waterproof and breathable as claimed. Number 2. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Mesh Patches. Dealing with a torn tent or bug screen? This product offers an instant fix. Simply peel and stick, and it's ready to go. Forget about complicated repairs. This patch doesn't need any heat to work. It's a simple, straightforward solution. Applying the patch is easy. Just remove the backing and apply pressure. It adheres to all types of screens and synthetic fabrics. This lightweight repair kit is perfect for any adventure. Pack it in your gear box and be prepared for anything. It can fix a variety of outdoor screens. From bug netting to tent mesh, this product has you covered. It is designed to help you enjoy your time outdoors. Gear Aid products are designed to help you repair your gear. They are focused on preservation and renewal, ensuring you can keep enjoying your adventures. What we like. These mesh patches offer instant repair for rips and tears on your screens and netting. The peel and stick application makes it incredibly easy to use. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to repair your gear on the go, this is a must-have. What people say. These patches work great. I've used them a couple of times now, Oni tent as well as my mosquito net for my hammock. Easy to apply and does an excellent job keeping the bugs outside. Easy to carry, light, and works for most of the typical holes and small tears that happen in the field. I have a Ogio backpack where the netting on the side ripped. When I looked at the product, it was a different texture, but it absolutely worked. Number 1. Serenelife Outdoor Trampoline with Safety Net. Experience the thrill of soaring jumps. This trampoline features high-tension springs and a reinforced mat, delivering an unmatched bounce. It is designed for high-energy play, ensuring endless outdoor fun for everyone. Safety is always the top priority. This trampoline includes tall netting, padded covers, and secure zippers. Crafted with ASTM-certified materials, it ensures both safety for kids and peace of mind for parents. Enjoy a stable and secure jumping experience. The trampoline features a galvanized steel frame with unique L-shaped legs. This design prevents wobbling, ensuring safe use on any surface, supporting up to 264 pounds. Get ready to jump in no time. This trampoline is designed for quick and easy assembly with clear instructions. It brings instant recreation to your backyard with minimal effort, perfect for busy families. Built to last, this trampoline withstands all weather conditions. It is made with UV-tested, waterproof materials and a rust-resistant steel frame. This ensures year-round durability, providing lasting fun and fitness for kids and adults. What we like. This trampoline provides a superior bounce with high-tension springs and a reinforced mat. It prioritizes safety with tall netting and padded covers, ensuring a secure jumping environment. If you are looking for a stable and safe trampoline for your kids, this is a great choice. What people say. Steel springs increase the jumping mat's durability and elasticity. A high-strength nylon enclosed net and a secure spring pad can keep feet from getting stuck in the springs. The curved safety poles and net give some extra protection, which was important to me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.